Bunny hop, 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 hop. Bunny hop, 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 hop.
Hey Cakenistas, it's Marisha. The sun is playing tricks on me. It keeps busting out and then hiding, going back and forth. How are you guys holding up during this quarantine? The majority of you are at home trying to figure out things to do. Easter is coming up this Sunday. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make this very adorable pastel, kind of springtime fun, festive cake. It's really cute. It's right behind me looking as gorgeous as ever. Why not have a little cake for you and the ones that you're with at home? In quarantine, the gyms, when this is over, oh my goodness, they're gonna be more packed than January 1st of every year. Wow. As you know, I often recycle my cakes from previous videos. So I want you guys to comment down below which cake you think this was before it was made into this one. And I'll reveal the answer at the end of the video. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, press on the notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting off with my cake. It looks really weird because it was crumb coated and then wrapped in plastic and refrigerated, but it is ready to go and ready to decorate. So I'm going to cover it in some vanilla frosting. You want to have a good amount of frosting on this cake for the design that we're going to be doing. So once I feel like I have a good amount of frosting on my cake, I'm going to go in with a cake comb and I'm going to comb the sides of that cake. And this is how we are going to make our stripes. You may see some gaps at the bottom where you don't see anything that was combed through. So you'll just want to fill that in with some more buttercream frosting. You can do this multiple times until you have completed the stripes on your cake. Once I am content with my cake, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes until that frosting is solid. Now I have here some small little pouches of frosting. I have 5 different pastel colors: purple, yellow, pink, blue. You can use whatever colors that you would like for your cake. I just put each one in a small piping bag and I'm going to pipe in between those stripes with each color. Because I have 5 colors, I chose my blue first, and then 5 down from there did another strand of blue, 5 down from there did another strand of blue, and then I continued to go in that order. And this was going to help me continue that pattern to make sure that I didn't have any of the same colors stacking on top of one another. It looks messy now, but don't you worry, we're going to clean it up. I did put this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. See my bunny ears? They are just too cute. I'm wearing these everywhere. Everywhere today is in the bathroom, to the bedroom, to the kitchen, but still, when I go and get the mail today, when I take the trash out, I'll be wearing these. So yeah, pretty good. I put the cake in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes just to make sure that the colors would stay in their place as much as possible. And then I went in with the flat side of my cake comb and scraped off all of that excess. And the look of it when you complete that, it's just so satisfactory. It looks so gorgeous. The sun was giving me all of the saturation at this moment. So I took the cake out of the sun so you can see the true colors. They're so pretty. So now I'm going to go in with some white chocolate ganache, just equal parts of white chocolate and heavy cream. And I'm going to create my drip on my cake. I put that leftover ganache on top of the cake. These stripe cakes are very possible. These stripe cakes are so These stripe cakes are definitely trending right now, and they look really difficult, but they're actually very easy. And you can use as many colors or as little colors as you would like. You can use 2 colors, pick your favorite 2 pastel. Springtime colors, you can use 3. You can add your own little spin and twist to this cake. I've grabbed my sprinkles, and these Sprinkle Pop sprinkles are literally just about the same color as the colors that I use in the cake. It's so perfect. They're actually called Egg Hunt. So I'm going to place the sprinkles onto the drip. They were testing my patience just slightly, but I always win when it comes to, you know, the sprinkle battle. So I went in not only with tweezers, but this pick thing. However you have to get those sprinkles on that drip, just do whatever is necessary. In a piece of plastic, I have rolled my leftover frostings as well as some white frosting, and I'm going to put this in a large piping bag with a star tip, and I'm going to fill the entire top of the cake. And I love the way this looks because it's colorful, but it's not overwhelming because of that white frosting that's also in the piping bag, and you don't know how it's going to come out. That little point was bugging the beans out of me, so I pushed it down a little bit into the cake. So now I'm going to top the cake off with some more sprinkles. I could have went heavier with the sprinkles, but I really actually like these sprinkles, and you know, I want them for later on as well. So this is one completed version of the cake. Now I felt like it needed something more, something to elevate it, take it to the extreme, you know what I mean? Especially for springtime and for Easter. So I went and printed out some bunny ears, and I kind of just did the best that I could in the 30 seconds that I had, and I glued them on some popsicle sticks and stuck that right into the cake, and I just felt like this was perfect. I love the way this cake turned out. I loved it so much I had to have a slice. And I'm not even really trying to eat cake like that, but it just had to happen because it's so cute. Couture in a springtime sprinkle drip cake. Bye guys. Just go ahead, you just sit there, you just chill. I got this. Okay. So did you guys guess which cake this was down below? If you said that it was the toilet paper cake, then you were correct. That's right. If you watch that video, then you know that there's actually a hole in the center of this cake, which I took cake scraps and I just filled it up. It would have been good if I put sprinkles on the inside, but of course I didn't think about that until I already filled it up. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you're going to be doing for Easter, if you're going to actually do a little dessert, or if you're just going to be like, look, whatever we have is what we have, whatever we don't have is what we don't have, and that's it, y'all. My mom's birthday is actually the day after Easter. I'm going to do something really nice for her. We're going to have a really fun quarantine birthday this Monday. So expect that coming up soon. I want you guys to check out that toilet paper cake. I will leave it at the end of the video. I have so many springtime videos. Don't let this be the last one that you watch from the channel, okay? Okay. I want you guys to join me on Facebook at facebook.com/MarishasCoutureCakes. Make sure that you have subscribed to the channel as well. Please follow me on Instagram so we can be friends. At Marishas_Couture_Cake, and my personal page with food and everything and recipes and keto stuff at Marishas_Couture. Happy Easter.